Hello everybody, this is Dr. Dan Poopery. I am your professor for BME 303L this semester. I'm going to make a series of videos for all the software you need to have installed in this class. So there's a bunch of different pieces of software. I'm going to reuse this introduction piece for all the videos. So let's just get to it. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to the main Canvas page. You'll see this software button. Go ahead and click on it, and it will give you a list of all the software you need to install along with the days I want you to have it installed by. All right, the next piece of software I want you all to install is called ImageJ. ImageJ is a image processing and analysis package. It's really cool. We're actually going to download something called Fiji, which is really just ImageJ, but it's kind of like a whole package download. So you're going to click on the link. And what's really cool about this is it's really just a zip file. So it doesn't have this whole big install package that interacts with the Windows file system a whole lot, which is good. So after it downloads, you can open it up and it will just come up with this extract utility. And so what you'll just want to do is extract all. I'll say where I'm just going to extract it into downloads for now. And just show you that it's going to take a little bit of time to extract all the files from the zip file. And then I have this Fiji app directory, right? And so you can see that this is where the ImageJ executable is. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my downloads and just show you. Right, here's the zip file I downloaded. I don't need that anymore, so I'm going to delete that. What I need is this Fiji app directory. And what's nice about this is it doesn't interact with the system at all. It's like a standalone application, so we could put it wherever we want. So I'm going to move this from here. I'm going to copy it to just a directory I have called software. So I'm going to stick it here. And then you can see here's the ImageJ executable. I'm actually going to create a shortcut for that and put it on my desktop so I can access it later. So that way, every time I want to run ImageJ, it's right there. I'm just going to make it ImageJ. Okay, and then we run ImageJ. Just going to give the little Fiji logo. When you get this window to come up, it's basically running. It's going to say, do you want to do an auto updater? You know, frankly, I don't like to update, so I'll just say remind me later. Just hit OK. But if you want to keep it up to date, you can update it every time you bring the file up. But this is all that you need. If this looks like it works, you have ImageJ working and installed on your computer.